We're starting. We're starting. So I'm one of these Aug today with my dad and my sister, so should be good. Are you ready? Right, 3, 2, 1, go! Why? You know more about this. What's this one? These BBs are crap. They split when you hit something. .4 battery. Dad's got his Aug 10. No, not 10, 11.1 LiPo. Sister's over there with the gas blowback pistol I have. My WeTech Hicapa 5.1. Over there. I'm not shooting you, Kira! Pop out so I know where you are. Right there. You ready, Dad? What's wrong? Oh, fuck, I haven't had guns broke again. You shooting? It's okay. Wait. All my mags have been wound up to the max. So.
Yeah, you do want some white ones in. Tried all of them, none of them work.
That one's been fully wound up though. Can I grab one of these?
Yeah, I think they're all wound up, but they should. There might look different in that one.
Probably.
Seem to fire an odd one.
Is it all the way wound up? Wind up. You should wind them up so you can hear like a clicking noise.
Yeah, I do.
Right, I'm running back then.